While browsing the owner section of the Patek Philippe website, I came across one of the most under the radar releases this year of Watch and Wonders, and the release of the true icon from Patek Philippe, carrying on the lineage of the 96 series Calatrava. The Calatrava was the first wristwatch by Patek Philippe, and now they've come out with the 6196. I'm going to go through the initial launch of the 6196 and then discuss some of the changes to the 5196, a watch I own. So let's start out with some of the features. The most obvious one or difference being this watch is now 38 millimeters, which is 1 millimeter bigger than the 5196. It features a manual wind movement, and this time it has a display case back to showcase the movement, as opposed to the 5196, which has a clear case back. It still features 30 meters of water resistance, which in Patek parlance is a true 30 meters of water resistance. Perhaps if you're brave enough and want to change the strap out, you can even take this watch surface swimming. Now, the initial launch of this watch comes in platinum with a salmon dial. This is a very unique combination for a watch like this, which tends to really be a lot more conservative, and I'm glad Patek took a few chances with the color in here. Some of the features, whereas my watch features a 42-hour power reserve, this new watch has a 65-hour power reserve. I'm interested to see, as they come out with more gold versions of this watches, what dial colors they're going to have. Are they going to have the traditional Calatrava dials of black and eggshell, or are they going to be a little bit more daring with the most formal of Patek Philippe watches? Thank you so much for watching this brief video. I appreciate your time.